Hey, what's going on YouTube? Doing a product review. Battery USB powered fan. This is the 9-inch one. I ordered on Amazon. Open it. So it comes with the 2 batteries and the charging USB and the manual. As you can see, the swivel up and yeah, it goes shoot straight up. There you go, the charging port, the charge indicator, switch. You can pause the video and read that if you want. Let's look at the fan. Wow, not bad. Metal, nice and sturdy. Alright, so this is the back right there. Just open it. And negative. So the negative go on this side first. Oh, whoa. Hold on, let me put it. There's another one. Make sure it's negative. See, just pause it right there. Negative. Negative first. Then you just close the lid. Oh, not the lid, but the back. I'm not sure you need charge yet. Because usually when it comes shipped, it should be a certain percentage on the battery. Let me just turn it on. Okay, the right side is mode 1. So I'm gonna do mode 1. Wow. So it's a portable fan. You can hear it nice and quiet also. I'm gonna put mode 2. See how it's mode 2 sound like. There you go. So if you're looking for like a portable fan, something you definitely use this in, like if you got a cargo van, a big van, circulate the air inside your van. But honestly, this is what I'm gonna use because my work van is actually hot, so this could definitely help, and it's only a USB charge, so that's even better. So yeah, like I said, it'll face straight up. This is where you plug in to charge your thing. So plug it real quick. Face it down. I'm having a hard time recording doing this. There you go. And there go the indicators charging. So yeah. You thinking to get one? There you go. Get it on Amazon. Mini rechargeable table fan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. Peace and love.